Okay, here we go. All right, you guys know if I look at it, f of x is equal to y. So then every point is x and y, right? So then what's my point here? Huh? Negative 1, 1. So what's the point here? 2, 7. It's so easy. And I'll have kids to mess it up. And then there'll be a quiz and be like, this one or this one. I'm not telling you. Okay, and then what's this? 1, negative 1. That's it. You just have to know which is x, which is y, which is the input, which is the output. Okay, all right, and then there's one little one. I know why trail it off. 3, 9, right? It's just a loner in the back. Okay, so now can you pull it from a chart? And mind you, we might get some decimals, I think, if I remember. Or you might get multiple answers. You're going to give me both of them. Okay, so they tell you, given this graph, right? So we're looking at this one, right? Okay, because I'm going to use the orange to kind of highlight what the numbers are. Okay, f of negative 4. So when x is negative 4, find negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Where is the function? What's the y value? 2, right? It's right. Right, so this point would be negative 4, 2, and that's why this is a 2. This is your y. Okay, what would I put for f of 0? 0. Right? This would be 0, 0. F of 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do I go? Oh, what do you, okay, we're going to have a decimal. What do you guys want? Negative what? 1.75? Yeah, 1.75. If you give me 1.8, it's, it's this point right here. Right, or negative 1.7. Your test and quiz, sometimes they'll have that. And it's a point of, it's just for you to give me a decimal. Make sure you know it's negative, not positive. And so there's kind of a range that we give you. If you went under 1.5, like 1.4, I would mark it wrong. Okay. Okay, f of negative 5, 0. What did I say this was? 3, negative 1. Okay. All right, find the input value. So you're going to be looking on the x-axis. So if f of x is equal to 2, so y value 2 is 1, 2, correct? I have 2 options. I'm going to grab blue. Okay, I have 2 options. What's one of my options? Let's take a guess. Kelly, give me one.
For what?
When y is 2, right, because this is 2, find the graph and then bring it down to x.
Like negative 0.8?
Yeah, so you got negative 0.8, and what's the other one?
0.
No, keep going along this line. So keep going, hit, and now what is it on the x?
Negative 4.
Yeah. So then, I guess I'll have to double it. Yeah, I'll ring it because it's for both. Or you could give me, what did I say, negative 4? Yeah. So it actually had 2 options. Negative 1.8 and negative 4. Yeah. And so f, you also have 2 options. So when f of x is equal to 0, it's here, but now find where the function crosses the x-axis at that number. Well, not the x-axis, but, well, it's 0. It is the x-axis. You have two x-intercepts. What are the two x-intercepts? 0 and negative 5. So f of 0 gives me 0, and f of negative 5 gives me 0, right? Here and here. Because look, if you're now looking at the points, when x is 0, I get 0, and when x is negative 5, I get 0, because that's the output value. So try and see like what makes sense to you. Like, do you like the coordinate points? Does that, you know, meaning if say I was to pull the points out, negative 5, 0, negative 4, 2, 0, 0, what's this one? Let's say negative 0.72. And then we have 3, negative 1.75. Yeah, okay, so say we have, say I give you these, and I say, hey, fill them in. F of negative 4, so you're like, okay, it's in the input x. So negative 4, perfect, 2. F of 0, it's in the x. 0, 0, there's my 0. F of 3, 3, negative 1.75. F of negative 5, 0. Now find x when f of x is equal to 2. You're looking for the 2 in the y section, right? The y coordinate placement. So where's 2? Here, negative 4. Oh, I didn't write the other one. All right, well, whatever, let's write it. Negative 1.82, right? Or you have 2, 2, you can write both of those. 0, you have negative 5, 0, 0, 0. So you just kind of, if it helps, if you want to write out the coordinate points and match them up that way, just figure it out, because here, when you guys do your test or your quiz, kids will get like, they'll do good with the f of the number, but when you have to find x given that number, sometimes kids just start switching it. Okay. And mind you, even if it's a partner quiz with you and your partner. All right, let me stop it. Okay.